this is Sugar and hope you're doing good. As I was going down the streets of Mogapur, Chennai in India, there were so many small eateries on the streets. I just saw this barbecue shop. I ordered a chicken wing barbecue, a prawn barbecue, for veg. I ordered paneer barbecue, which was delicious. This eatery offers all kinds of chaats, pani puri, bel puri, dahi puri, dahi papri, and all kinds of juices and milkshakes. They have veg biryani, chicken biryani, veg Manchurian, fish barbecue, and many more. I also ordered a chicken fried rice packed for my dinner, and it was really delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy eating.